back to the channel. Today I was working on a Python script that allows me to retrieve information on companies, basically doing background research on what they do, uh, how long they've been operating, etc. Essentially, just to conduct better market research relating to certain industries. And I wanted to show people how I do that. So here I got like a Python script, pretty standard, opens the CSV, calls an endpoint, that's an AI endpoint, that just basically is a large language model sitting on it, and that retrieves the response, parses it, and outputs one. You enrich the data, these are just logging, and then it outputs it to a JSON file, enriched company data, basically describing what the company does and who they are. And I'm used this particularly for this one CSV where it was a trade show, and I had a list of every single company at that trade show because I wanted to see what, like, to basically gauge who's all gonna be there and what they do. And I use this script to conduct better research on that. So basically, this is what it looks like when it's done. The logging is done, and it saves it to a file. So let's open this file. And basically, the only response was the description. And I want to get rid of a great question, yada yada yada. I'll probably get rid of that in the prompt. But of course, it provides us market research on headquartered in whatever country. Lockheed Martin was formed, one of the largest defense companies, yada yada yada. And yeah, basically, I just use this to get a better outlook on a particular market. If I want to get information on companies or individuals that work on companies, I use tactics such as this. I hope this video has helped you. If you like it, please like and subscribe, and